Max is playing with a truck. Bong Yang is looking after him. Jimmy is drinking all of the beer in the fridge. He's got permission to, starting with a singer.
Yeah.
And we are off to Graham's wedding. We are looking flash. Bong Lin is with us. Bong Lin from Battambang. If you don't know Bong Lin from Battambang, then you obviously haven't been here because she knows everybody. Join us as we take you through what a barang and a local wedding looks like when it's not us in it.
It's just a party.
It's just a party. Let's go.
Bong Lin is not invited.
Oh!
I want to surprise her.
And in Khmer weddings, it doesn't matter if she turns up or not. No one gives a shit. I just want to point out that the girls are working on this corrugated type concrete arrangement in their heels, and they are doing a great job.
Tiptoeing.
They're tiptoeing. You look like you're wearing you look like you're 6 wearing your mum's shoes, walking on this. The RMs are going beautifully. This is their 3rd trip, I think, here, or 2nd. I can't remember. Here's some random people coming into the place. Good evening, ladies. We are here at the Empress, which looks lovely, and we've got the customary pre-wedding photos. Doesn't Graham look suave? Oh yes. What a handsome fellow, and his missus looking lovely. And what's happening here? This is pretty swish, isn't it? I was expecting Graham to be out the front giving some Jim Room Sulas.
There, the next building.
Oh, there's another building.
Please, you have to go all the way to the back. He said the 4th building.
The 4th building? Jeez. Are these people in part of the wedding?
Yes.
They are. Are we all going
know
together?
them.
Okay. Oh, of course Bong Lin knows them. Bong Lin knows everyone. This is a nice hotel, by the way. It might actually take us an hour to get from here to the actual party area, which is just over there. Look at this. Look, honestly.
Okay. Yes.
Smile. New profile picture. Ooh. Okay, we've got enough photos of the girls. And over here we've got some more pics. Oh yes, some flowers down here. Some more pics. More pics, just letting us know. This is all the pre-wedding pics. This is flash, mate. I'm not going to lie. Oh, come on. She just told me literally 20 seconds ago we can't stop and piss fart around because we've got a baby at home. Now you're getting a photo every 25 centimetres that you walk.
Do as I say, don't say as I do.
Do you want to try that again?
I don't know.
So stay. Jim Dim Sua. Alright, Jim Dim Sua. So, this is it here. Here's our man here. We're only allowed to get his good side, Graham said. He's all dressed up in the traditional gear, and it is lovely and air conditioned in here, so he is at maximum comfort. We have this lovely flower thing over here. We've got all the family and guests here who have some excellent lighting, some professional cameras. Sis Day. Look at this. All of the fuss. He's looking good. And we have a lovely array of food and drink.
Yeah, you want to go and do run along with all the buffet? And just
Yeah, we have to have a look at the buffet. We've got a live band too, which is good. And Will, something that you won't appreciate, but I'm definitely appreciating, is that this music isn't turned up to 15 and my eardrums aren't bleeding, which is tradition for a lot of Cambo weddings. So this is very, very pleasant.
Where I'm staying at the moment, it must have been a wedding today because the music was just going on. It was going on. So,
They usually put the speaker tower out the front of the house, and at 5 o'clock just go.
well, I could tell there wasn't an Aussie involved because there was no akadaka playing.
Nah, trust me, in my one there was nothing like that either. You get no say. Anyway, let's have a look at the food. Geez, it's a fairly decent bloody spread, Graham. This is magnificent. What do you got here? Beef, fish, beef or pork, I think. No, more fish. Oh, surprise, surprise, she's got prawns. More stir fry, some rice. No more stuff, some bread. This looks like some barang stuff. Salad, magnificent. And I've also got a area here with some more bits. Look, this is magnificent. Prawns, mate, you have not mucked about. And cold drinks. My goodness, this is very, very dangerous. Bonglin, what have you got?
Fried vegetable.
Vegetables. You've got all this lovely thing and you've gone for vegetables.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Come on, Bonglin, let's sort you out. So Kinal's wearing a very nice dress tonight, but there's also method behind the madness here. Can you explain what's going on?
Room to eat more.
Oh, right. The food has been amazing here. We'll just do a quick whip round. It's filled up pretty good. Behind us as well. Everyone's been quite orderly here. I said to Graham earlier, no one's got their shirt off yet. I doubt people will be throwing their beers under the table here as well. This is a very, very pleasant place to be at the moment. One thing I like with the buffet means that what we got here, because we're on call, we're only one phone call away of having to go back to Max, is that we don't have to wait for the whole table to fill up.
Yeah, that's what we discussed earlier.
Yeah.
Plus, you don't have to worry that people don't turn up and because it's not buffet, you pay per table.
That's right, yeah. So yeah, people don't turn up and there's 3 people at a table, that table will charge you.
Yeah.
So this is a very good system. We've thought about this, Graham, and it shows, mate.
Good job.
Bango. Yeah.
Good job.
Oh, everyone's lined up here. Photos ready. Oh, we've got nothing to throw. Oh, very nice. There we go. Oh, hang on.
The lucky lady is here.
Oh no!
So thank you again for being here tonight and helping to celebrate this wedding occasion for us. Thank you so much. Enjoy.
English
Cảm ơn bà Vinh nhé. Bà đang ở bà ố tên anh mới đến đó. Never seen John anymore, right?
bây giờ thí dụ cái sự lập hạt hồi sang cho tự mặt ống nhé mình câu mặt ống
No, tên anh mới đến. Không làm lại được đâu, đã được buông vào đó.
Again?
I just thank everyone for joining all of it tonight. Really appreciate it. And we also thank you for all the thank you. Thank you.
Big clap. Oh, it's on now. Come on, Bonglin. Most eligible bachelorette in Battambang. Come on. Get in there. Pressure's on.
Bạn tư liệu đã tuôn ra đời bật bánh cỏ. Và please welcome the man who is single. Enjoy for the party tonight with giving the bunch of the flower for fun. And for the lucky, don't forget it for the single. Let's come. I don't know who got win and who got waiting for the next, right?
I've seen it done like this before.
Battambang, Battambang. All right, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, come on the stage. Carry on the stage. All right. Mà tại đây chú biết xong sắp phía với bạn. ai cho làm một.
There you go. Someone
Trong
snap
cái
her
viên của
up.
phía tiếp đó. Và xong chơi mà.
chụp ai xẻo cô hay
Không ăn gì đó.
Oh, she gets to say something nice.
Bùng lẹ ơi, trong đi từ bùng lẹ.
Good job.
Okay.
Look at all the unsuccessful Sheilas just retreat. All the losers, including
Hãy
Bong Lin.
subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.
Bong Lin, what happened? You lost. Not lucky. Fair to come. And the dance floor's kicking off. The live band's back on. Graham and Lick are cruising around. And Kinal and Bong Lin are taking centre stage to get their photos. All right. My turn now.
You go.
Okay, I'll go here.
Okay.
Alright, let's have a look at the damage. Oh, there you go, there's your new wallpaper. Oh, it's all kicking off here. The buffet's been cleaned out by everyone. The soup was superb. The pork was superb as well. Oh, where are we going? Sorry, Graham. She's cleaning you out, mate. Fourth round. Hang on, we're going through the bloody thing here. Ruining his photo. Look at this. This pumpkin suit was beautiful. The spring rolls now. Look, the spring rolls. You didn't see this before. Bloody marvellous. Salad with ham and bits. Yeah, give me one. No, that's enough. Better heaps for me. Hang on, I have to put this camera down so I can carry back another soup. I'll grab some bread. Hey? Yeah, I'll grab some bread. 2, 3. Righto. No, I don't think spring rolls and yeah. With Kinal carrying it, it means I can stay away, and if it falls, no, not for me, for you, you can have some. If this falls over, I'm in the clear. We just got the call, Max is cracking it, so we're going to get out here. Graham, this is bloody fantastic, mate.
Thank you so much for coming.
So what's been the highlight for you, the fact that you've finally done all the ceremonies? Hey, do you have any more costumes tonight?
No, that's it.
That's it? Thanks for having us along, mate.
Thank you so much for coming. It's really nice of you.
My pleasure, our pleasure. And you'll be able to see this in probably about 12 months. Anyway, we're going to get out of here. Keep going. You're on the crocs too. What's all this about?
First thing of the night.
Okay. Steady as she goes. Steady as she goes. All right, we'll see you later. That's it. We put the folding in. I've gone. And out we go. So, the reality of a crying child. We got to get out of here. I'll tell you what. The reds went down beautifully, and the air conditioning was my favourite part.
Yeah.
We didn't bring Max tonight because we thought Cambodian wedding pretty hot, pretty
But
loud.
also, like, because my sister's there, and I thought,
That's right. We don't have the opportunity to have babysitters at our fingertips all that often.
yeah.
Oh, here's the pool. Don't fall in that. Bloody hell. Hang on, we've gone the wrong way. We're going through the hotel now.
I think it's great.
We'll get home in a bit. Max will settle. Me being home as well means that I won't drink anymore, and that I'll be up nice and early tomorrow without a headache or a hangover. So I'm happy to do that.
What a responsible man.
Responsible? That's just because I'm not piss fit. You know what piss fit is?
No.
So piss fit is the ability to drink.
Ah,
And
so
you're-
you just What did I say today?
What?
Peace week.
Piss week. Thanks so much. I need David, who we're going to go see next week. He's going to be my alcohol coach.
Hey, you from Australia? Because Australians don't need an alcohol coach.
Yeah, when you've had a child and been unfit for the last 12 months, you do. But David's in form. He's always been in form. He's either on or off. Gotcha. Thanks, Gray, for having us, mate. And I hope you guys enjoyed that experience with us. Anyway, chicka chow.
Chicka chow.
Bong Lin,
Yeah?
give us a chicka chow.
Okay.
Chicka chow. Just chicka chow.
What does it mean?
Nothing.
No.
All right.
Say it.
Bong Lin refuses to say chicka chow.
Chow.
Chicka chow.
All right, that'll
What does it
do.
mean?
Just,
Chicka chow.
it's a sign of.
Seems like Chinese. Chicka chow. Yeah. Ni hao.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, like Chinese.
You've had one drink.
2 drinks.
2 drinks? Oh,
That's
now
why
she...
I cannot pronunciation.
Oh, now she...